Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Art. Today I am really super excited about this collaboration with Clear. It's Christmas in July, so let's start. Today I will be using two techniques in this, and I will be making Jesmonite coasters. I will be using rice paper and this Silkscreen. So here I am mixing my Jesmonite according to the instructions and the amount I needed for my molds. I will link a website under in my description where there you can calculate the Jesmonite you need, the powder and the liquid. It's really a helpful and handy website. So after mixing it, I am pouring into my mold. And here comes the tapping. That's really important. You need to release the air bubbles trapped in the Jesmonite and let it cure. 25 minutes here. After 25 minutes, it all been cured, and now I'm demolding it. So now comes the Silkscreen part. What I'm doing here is I am just using the Silkscreen. I ordered it from Etsy. I will link the shop in the description below. And I'm using copper acrylic paint here. Simply pouring the color on the top of the screen, and with the card I am just scraping it, making sure that I am using the color on the area that is going to be transferred onto the Jesmonite coaster. This is really a fun technique. I have tried it before. I will link that video as well here up, and here you go. Such a beautiful pattern. And on to the second one. Make sure to wash your silk screen with warm water in between every printing you are doing so that you don't mess up. It's really important. If you're going to make something unique, you have to work hard for it. So here I have done the silk screen. Now comes the rice paper. So here comes the cute squirrel. And now comes the part where I am choosing how to put the squirrel and where I should put the berries, the holy berries. So this is really up to you. It's just a fun technique, and here I am cutting the rice paper according to the need I want, but there is another way of doing it and I forgot it. You need to rip it. So this, by ripping, when you put it onto the place anywhere you are doing the rice paper, it do itself, you can say it merge itself into the place underneath. So it's best if you rip it like this instead of cutting. So here is the part where I am just choosing where to put the berries and the squirrel. On to the second one, and I am doing the ripping technique here. Just carefully, it's really easy to rip. So here I'm using the Decoupage glue for the rice paper. You can easily find this in craft stores. I will link it again in the description. So make sure to put a layer beneath, and now on the top put the rice paper and coat it with the Decoupage glue. Make sure to cover it all. So doing the same on both of the coasters. And now I'm putting some gold foils, as it was looking a bit empty to me. So just putting a little bit of gold foil. It's actually a cosmic mix gold foil. So I'm just putting it randomly here and there just to not overfill it and also keep it simple, yet a bit festive. So here it's all done. Now I will be using my wax, stone and concrete. I really love this wax, and I will be using my hands to rub the wax onto the coasters, and then with a soft cloth or a soft tissue paper I will be buff it. And after doing the waxing, I will be using this gold paint. I really love this gold. It's such a true gold color. And with just a dotting tool, I will be putting a very thin line onto the sides of the coaster. I'm not going to do it over, just a little bit onto the edges, and you will get a beautiful line. And this is the final step on these coasters, and after this it's all done. And this is the final look. I hope you like it. It did turn out really festive and elegant, and I am super thankful to Claire for doing this collaboration. So many amazing artists gathered and created. The creativity has blown my mind, and plus I got to see so many new artists. And if you are new to my channel, hi! So this is it from me to you, and I hope you enjoyed the process. And if you did, please do like, subscribe and share, and thumbs up if you like. And if you didn't subscribe, please consider subscribing, because I do make a lot of new videos and I do lots of experimentation here, and you will definitely enjoy my channel. So that's it. Take care. Happy weekend. Take care. Bye bye.